Hello my dear students, hope you all are fine. Let's start third duty. The syllabus is chapter 8, 10, 11 and 15. Let's start chapter 8 decimals. Children, in the previous chapter you have learned how to write the fraction. So the fraction of the shaded part will be 4 by 10. In this 4 is the numerator and 10 is the denominator. So the fraction of the next figure will be 5 by 10. In this 5 are shaded, so 5 is numerator and 10 is the denominator. Now look at the fraction of 15 parts out of 100. It will be 15 by 100. 32 parts out of 1000, it will be 32 by 1000. So 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 15 by 100, 32 by 1000. They are known as decimal fractions. Why? Because they have 10, 100, 1000 as their denominator. So what we can say? A decimal fraction is a fraction whose denominator is either 10 or 100 or 1000, or you can say a power of 10. Children, let's learn how to write these fractions in decimals. First example, 4 by 10th, we can write in decimal as 0.4. Now, we have separated this whole number and the fractional part with this decimal. See the decimal fraction of 5 by 10th, it will be 0.5. We can read it as 0.5 or 5/10. See the next one, 15 by 100, it will be 0.15. And the last one, 32 by 1000, it will be 0.032. And we can read it as 0.032. So children, remember numbers 0.4, 0.5, 0.15 and 0.32 are called decimal numbers or decimals. Let's understand more with this example 24.31. Here 24 and 31 are separated by decimal. So we can read it as 24.31. This point is termed as decimal point, and the number to the left of the decimal point is called as the whole part or integral part. This 24, it is the whole part or integral part. The number to the right of the decimal part is called the decimal part. This 31 is the decimal part. So in this 24 is the whole part, then the decimal point, and then 31 is the decimal part. And remember children, the part of the digits after the decimal point are called the number of decimal places. So there are two decimal places in 24.31. So children, let's understand more with some examples. Example first, 49.35. Now in this 49 is the whole part, then the fraction is separated with point, it is called decimal point, and 35 is the decimal part. And we can read it as 49.35. And children, now we can say there are two decimal places in 49.35. See next example, 0.859. In this 0 is the whole part and then decimal, and the right of the decimal is the decimal part. So we can read it at 0.859, and there are three decimal places in this example. So children, for today I am sending you this introduction. Now the register and the written part we will do in next session. Thank you.